Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To pop the hood, we're going to grab this little handle right here, right next to your footrest. To release the hood, we're going to slide this little lock to the right. Prop rod is right here. Pull up on that. And there's two spots. You can either put it right there, or if you can't reach that spot, you can put it right here. We're going to take these 9 push pins out on this upper cover. Use a flat blade screwdriver. Just pry up on the center, and then the rest of the clip will pop out. Sometimes they come out easy, sometimes it's a struggle. This one, the center came out, which is okay. Now we're going to move this air intake, and then we can pull up on this panel. We're going to pull this hood latch. As you can see, it's really dirty right here. You could wipe this off and actually mark it with a felt tip pen. We'll leave it right there. This side we'll mark over here with a felt tip pen. We can mark right there just in case. So underneath this radiator support, there's a connector for the hood latch. We're gonna pry this down with a trim tool. Here we go. Just have that and pried it down. While I'm here, I can disconnect the connector. Just push down on this tab and pull it out. Now we're gonna take off these 10mm bolts. I'm gonna use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Now to disconnect the cable, we're going to pull up right here, like that. And then to get this off, we're going to push the little cable part this way and pull the ball out, just like that. All right, we're going to put this, reinstall this, and we'll take this cable, we're going to take this little ball, and slide it down here, get it underneath, and on the other side of that spring, like that, so that it's in that area right there. And then we can take this part and push it down where it holds it. We can flip this over, line it up, and put our bolts back in. As I get it down there, I want to line up the latch. You can see the dirty section that lines up pretty good right there. And then where I marked it over there, I'm going to use my ratchet, my 10mm socket. We'll snug those down. Okay. We're going to reconnect the connector. Then we're going to line it up. Push the retainer in, just like that. Now we can put this cover back on. Line that up. Oh, we're going to line this air intake up. Push pins, stick those in, push them down, lock them down. Okay, now we're going to close the hood. Check and make sure everything lines up good. This looks good. And we're going to recheck it. I'm going to pop it, make sure it works. And it works.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.